They're off. Kid is Frosty. Sharp out of the gate, takes the lead. Rossellini and Sterling Beauty are right behind. And then farther out is Bangle Gal. Nico's Dream is fifth in the early stages here, just ahead of Subsidiary and Dancing Slippers on the inside. Kid is Frosty, the leader, moving into that turn on top by a length and a half now. Bangle Gal grabs second on the outside. And then it's Sterling Beauty third along the rail as they head to the backstretch. Alongside is Nico's Dream, who is in fourth right now and four from the front after a 24.37 quarter. Rossellini in behind them. The Dancing Slippers and Subsidiary. Kid is Frosty. And Arad Ortiz Jr. on top up the backstretch here. A length and 3/4 to Bangle Gal. Then it's Sterling Beauty on the inside. Nico's Dream just outside of them. Just 2 lengths off the lead with Rossellini in behind. Then it's Dancing Slippers and Subsidiary last after a 48.18 half mile. So they race for the far turn with Kid is Frosty still the pacemaker here. A half length on top of Bangle Gal racing for the far turn. Sterling Beauty sits just in behind the pacemakers, running in third on the inside, just 2 lengths off the lead. Nico's Dream's going to take the outside route and is starting to put in a bid now while 3 wide. Rossellini is right in behind her and they're into the stretch. Kid is Frosty, Nico's Dream now edging up on the outside. Then Sterling Beauty, Dancing Slippers down toward the inside and Rossellini. And now Kid is Frosty kicks away, repelling the bid of Nico's Dream and the others. And Kid is Frosty is lengthening that lead down to the wire. Kid is Frosty, sharp in victory here. Won it by 3.5 lengths over Nico's Dream, and that it was Sterling Beauty and Rossellini.